Hey you guys, happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is October 3rd, and they are good up until Saturday, October 6th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so I have a total of 2 transactions here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the first transaction. So in my first transaction, I grabbed a total of 4 of the Olay 6 beauty bar packs and 2 of the Olay body washes. So with the Olay this week, they are priced at Walgreens for 2 for $12. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So for every 2 that you purchase, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash. So when you purchase 6, that's going to bring your total to $36. We have 2 digital coupons on the Walgreens app. So we have a 5 off of 3 Olay digital coupon. And then we have another 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I'm going to pop that coupon up on the screen for you. So that's a total of $10 in digital coupons. So $36 minus the $10 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to just $26. Remember, for every 2 that you purchase, you will get back $12 in Walgreens cash rewards. Also, you guys, on this transaction, I had a digital booster get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then I also paired that with the paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So after using digital coupons, it's going to bring your total down to $26. You will get back $12 back for the Olay products. So $26 minus the $12 that you get back for the Olay. That's going to bring your total down to $14 plus the $5 for spending $20 digital booster plus the $8 paper booster for spending $35. So $14 minus the $13 in boosters, that will bring your grand total down to just $1 for all 6 packages. But because I got some extra Walgreens points, I was able to actually get all 6 items for free. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, 4 of them rung up at 2 for $12, so 24. My other 2 rung up at 2 for $12. There's my paper booster, get $8 when you spend $35. Both of my $5 digital coupons came off, so it brought my subtotal to $26. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And then when you guys look down here where it says earned this visit, I earned back $26.48. So again, I spent $26 and I earned $26.48. So that made this transaction completely free plus a 48-cent moneymaker. So this was a really good transaction, you guys. So that's everything that I got in my first transaction. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, as you guys can see, I grabbed 2 bags of the Werther's Original Candy, Colgate Toothpaste, Colgate Toothbrush, some soft soap, some Dove deodorant, some Almay makeup remover wipes, and that's all I got in this transaction. And then also in this transaction, guys, I had a digital booster get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. And then I also had a paper boost get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. I used the pay in store option and I ended up using too much in Walgreens cash. I was only supposed to use $10 in Walgreens cash, but I used $20 in Walgreens cash. So because of that, I did not get the $7 in Walgreens cash simply because I used too much. So that was a mistake on my end, and I will show you guys at the end once I show you all my receipt. So we're going to go ahead and start with the soft soap. So with the soft soap this week at Walgreens, they are buy one, get one 50% off. And these ones are priced at $1.99. The deal is for every 4 that you buy, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. As you guys can see, I purchased a total of 8. So they are regularly priced at $1.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $1.99. Your second one will ring up half off at 99 cents. Since I purchased 8, 4 of them rung up at $1.99 and 4 of them rung up half off at 99 cents. So that brought my grand total to $11.92. We do have a 75-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. I actually had 2 coupons, you guys. I only clipped one, but for some reason 75 cents came off twice for the soft soap. So that was an extra 75 cents in savings that I got. So $11.92 minus the $1.50 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $10.42. And remember, for every 4 that you buy, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. I purchased 8, so 4, 8. So I got back $8 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $10.42 minus the $8 in Walgreens cash rewards that I received back, that brought my total down to just $2.42 for all 8 soft soaps, or it makes each bottle just 30 cents each, which is a fantastic price, you guys. I was super excited to stock up on these because I do sell these in my household bundles. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Dove Men Care deodorants, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at $2 for $11. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $2 for $11. Since I purchased 2, I did receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $11 minus that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards that I received, that brought my total down to just $7. But if you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $2 back. The limit is 3. I purchased 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. So $7 minus the $4 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $3. Then if you have Fetch Rewards has a rebate back to where you can receive $2 when you buy 2. So I did receive $2 back from Fetch Rewards. So $3 minus the $2 that I received back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to just $1 for both, or it makes each one just 50 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 packages of the Werther's of sugar-free original candy, and these are priced at Walgreens at $2 for $4. SWAGBUCKS has a rebate back for $3. So you will pay $4, submit your receipt to SWAGBUCKS for $3. That will bring your total down to just $1 for both, or it makes each one just 50 cents. And then I also grabbed the Colgate Toothpaste along with the Colgate Toothbrush. Both of these items are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase the toothpaste at $3.99 and the toothbrush at $3.99. That's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the toothpaste, and then we also have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothbrush. So that's a total of $4 in digital coupons that I use. So $7.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $3.98. And since I purchased 2, I did receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making these completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Olay makeup remover wipes, and these are priced at Walgreens for $5.99. I purchased 2, so $5.99 times 2 is $11.98. The deal with this is when you spend $10, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So I purchased 2 at $5.99. That brought my total to $11.98. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.98 minus the $5 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $6.98. And then since I did spend at least $10, I did receive back my $4 registry reward, which is right here. So with receiving this $4 registry reward, that brought my total down to $2.98 for both packages, or it makes each package just $1.49. So that is everything that I got in my second transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So here's all of my soft soaps. As you guys can see, all of them rung up buy one, get one 50% off. Both of my Dove rung up at $2 for $11. Both of my Werther's candy rung up at $2 for $4. Colgate Toothpaste $3.99. Colgate Toothbrush $3.99. And then both of my Olay makeup remover wipes at $5.99, so $11.98. Right here where it says point coupon purchase, this is the paper booster. Get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. My $5 digital coupon for the Olay, $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste Colgate, $2 coupon for the Colgate toothbrush, and then 2 75-cent digital coupons for the soft soap. So my subtotal came out to be $36.38. In Walgreens Cash Rewards, I redeemed $20. So this is where I messed up at. I supposed to have only redeemed $10 in Walgreens Cash Rewards. So remember how I told you guys that I used a digital booster, get $6 in Walgreens Cash when you spend $25. And then I had a paper booster, get $7 in Walgreens Cash when you spend $35. So whichever booster is the highest, that's the spend threshold that you want to make sure that you meet. So in my case, $35. So in coupons, as you guys can see, I used a total of $10.50 in digital coupons. My spend threshold is $35. So I needed to spend $24.50 in order to meet my $35 threshold. So $36.38, and I used the $20 in Walgreens Cash Rewards. So that brought my total down to $16.38. I was only supposed to use $10 because with me using $20, it brought me below $35, which meant that I did not get the $7 for spending $35 because I didn't spend $35 simply because the $20 brought me below. So I hope that makes sense, you guys. So even though you see it right here, she scanned it and it went through, but I just didn't get the points for it. But I did get the points for the digital booster, get $6 in Walgreens Cash when you spend $25. So down here, where it says earned this visit, I earned $23.02. So of that $23, I earned back $4 in Walgreens Cash for the Dove deodorant. I earned $4 in Walgreens Cash for the Colgate, and then I got the $6 in Walgreens Cash for the digital booster, along with my $8 in Walgreens Cash for the soft soap. So that's a total of $22 plus the extra Walgreens points that brought me to $23.02. So $23.02. So again, my total came out to be $36.38. I got back $23.02 in Walgreens Cash, and that brought my total down to $13.36. Then I got back my $3 from SWAGBUCKS for the Werther's candy. That brought my total down to $10.36. Then I got back a total of $4 on IBOTTA for both of my Dove deodorants. That brought my total down to $2.36. And then I also got back my $2 on Fetch Rewards for purchasing 2 of the Dove deodorants. So that brought my total down to just 36 cents for this transaction. But if we go back to my first transaction, remember that this transaction right here was completely free plus a 48-cent moneymaker. I'm going to take that 48 cents and apply it to my second transaction, which is 36 cents. That's what I paid for my second transaction. So 48 cents minus the 38 cents that I paid, that makes everything that you see right here completely free plus a 36-cent moneymaker. So this was a really, really good transaction for me today, you guys. I am 100% happy with it. So that is going to be it for this transaction. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you all are getting this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So again, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.